Hi there, my name is Renee. Grow your list with qualified leads with your very own digital product. I'm about to introduce you to a very easy 4 step process to attract your qualified leads into your tribe. And the best of all, it's all done for you. And you get to earn as soon as possible. So there's no creating digital products, which include Canva templates, Trello boards, course material, frameworks, swipe files, email lists scripts, nothing. It's totally white labeled, ready for you, and 100% editable and structured in a framework for you. It has a lifetime investment, so as you get all future upgrades and added digital products as we go along. I've already included my top digital products as I want you to have a head start to start earning as soon as possible. So the question is always freebies or not? There is a place for freebies, but I believe they are dead, as they do not attract your true long term, and the key here is long term audience, as they are not always your qualified lead. Free offers are just a very expensive email list, as most freebie collectors think about it. Do not take action to buy anything, as there's no investment, no accountability, or commitment. If they put money into it, they usually will commit. I've been in the digital marketing arena now for nearly 3 years, and I closely monitor the leads, trends, and success stories, and I implement them for myself and my clients. And after 18 years of marketing and sales experience, I am truly passionate about solutions and how to scale businesses on autopilot. Autopilot is important for me because I'm a digital nomad. So, if you've been around on the internet for a while, you probably have noticed there is a new trend. No more free offers, but rather offer a mini offer with amazing value, making this a totally no brainer, such as this offer. Not being biased, but it's true. So, what is a mini offer? It is a digital product, or it could be a service valued under $50 that will solve a pain point or a frustration similar to a freebie, or perhaps like you, looking for ways to earn money online without the hustle or the GRQS, which is get rich quick scheme, basically a hustle. So the key here is to offer something valued at least 10 times more than the price of the offer, which can solve a massive problem. And for an investment of $47, which is equal to a dinner out, makes this a total no brainer. Meaning, if you copy this and sell it. But then you may say, you do not know where to begin, because it does. It does take a lot of planning and a lot of thought to be able to do it properly and to do a lot of research. Or you may say you do not have time to create, or are you unable to create digital products because you're not creative and you don't even know what a digital product is. But you do not have to worry about this. I have the solution for you, and this is just a simple 4 step system. So, this toolkit's here for you to simply copy whatever I have created, 100% editable. Paste it. Number two, paste it into your framework. Three, upload all your PDFs and workbooks that I've done for you. And number four, you sell organically or paid or do both. I do give you tips on how to do this, so don't worry. And so you can start with earning within the first week without much effort. And it's an evergreen product. So all you do is keep on refreshing. Are you ready to join me in taking advantage of really, seriously, the massive opportunities we have right now to earn money online on autopilot? And some people are earning at least 20 to 30,000 a month just within 6 to 8 weeks. So remember, together we grow. I'm here to help you, so hopefully we see you soon. Ciao.